how to create viral TikTok ads step by step. So if you're watching this video, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated as there are new uploads in this channel. So let's face it, whether you are a dropshipper or a business or a holder of an e-commerce business, so if you are not using the advantage of advertising on TikTok, you are missing out on some serious gains. Most people who start advertising on TikTok, whether that's organically or using the paid TikTok ads manager, seem to think that there is some sort of winning media buying strategy that's just going to have them get good results and better results at the end of the day. So if you want to have good results for your advertising for your e-commerce using these TikTok ads, then stick to the video and watch until the end so you can learn more on how to improve your business. So without further ado, let's go and start this video tutorial. So first you must understand these two things, and let us go and discuss this one by one. So you need to know or understand your customers and audience and know what kind of topic or content on what they want. You can also research about the demographics about your target market or target audience. And so moving on to the next step or the next one consideration, that is the 18 to 15 seconds long attention span of people. So if you create an ad for your TikTok, you should consider that making an 8 to 15 seconds long ad is very suitable for your audience so that they would not lose any interest in your created ad, since many people have a very short attention span. So in order to cope up with this problem and your ads to be appreciated by all of your audiences, it is necessary to create an ad that is only 8 to 15 seconds long. So what not to do? So in this section I will give you some tips on what not to do if you are creating an ad for your TikTok, so you would be efficiently gaining benefit from your ads. So the first thing is that do not use any images or GIFs. And also, if you see this kind of ads in TikTok, this is a no-no, because sales, too much big promotion of sales are not good advertisement from TikTok, since TikTok is a new platform, and in this platform we are allowed to get creative. So if you use this kind of advertisements or advertising strategies, so this is not new to the public eye, so there is no creativity, and this would lead to poor performance of your ads in your TikTok account. What you can do is create some film for your advertisements, since TikTok is very good with editing and it focuses on putting out good videos that could go viral for you. So these are the TikTok ads that don't work: images or GIFs, since these are very simple as to be a ad on TikTok, and also big branding sales call outs, just like this example right here. And also do not use ads that look like ads. Since we are on TikTok, we must be creative and think of something new that would catch the eye of the audience. So always remember that something new and creative will always win in the target market or in targeting the audience that you want for your business on TikTok. So let's talk about TikTok ads that work. So what are the TikTok ads that work? I will give you some tips, guys. So first, make vertical videos, since vertical videos are very popular in TikTok and it is the platform's format. Next is to have fast jump cut style, since I told you the attention span of people are only 8 to 15 seconds. And then keep your video raw and authentic, So in this way you can have good engaging content. And next thing is to use trending sounds. So you can use hashtags, and so that your video will be found easily by users since you are using trending songs. And I have strategies for you guys for organic posting. So in organic posting, we will not be using any paid materials or any paid tools in order for us to have good reach or high reach of people. So first is, if you are under 1k followers, you need to have or set up an Instagram account. But if you are over 1k followers, you have to have a link in your bio, and I will show you why. It is because in our TikTok bio here, we have our link for our shop, and if we don't have a, and this is just applicable if you have 1000 followers or over 1000 followers, because you would have many people visiting your profile on TikTok. So there's no need to set up an Instagram that would help you push many people into your shop or into your business link. But if you are under 1k, you must utilize the use of Instagram, since there you can also have the link of your bio, your TikTok, and push them or push the people that have visited your bio or your link to TikTok, and then they can be, or they can shop through that link when they were directed to TikTok. So this is just a helping method for Instagram if you don't have a over 1000 followers on TikTok. And then you can just post 3 times a day. So in organic reaching, we need to have more contents per day, and of course using 3 to 4 hashtags will improve the organic reach of your posts. And then as well as using trending sounds. So in using trending sounds, you can incorporate it and use it together with the hashtag. If you use a trending sound and a hashtag with the name of the song, you can get more reach. Since it is a trending sound, you will have more audience. And of course, for the pinning one comment, for some reason this strategy works well with your post, since you pin a comment and some people interact with that comment, and then your post is live up, and then it is going to be ranked high in the feed of the users as long as it is in their algorithm. And the last step and list of steps for your organic reach is to make sure posts are 45 minutes plus apart in order for the post to reach its full potential. And you can also experiment with different times of the day when you are posting, and you can also engage with your platform niche, and then you can also engage with your followers. So in this, your followers will also engage back, and it will bring more traffic to your posts or your ads. And last is to remove spam comments. So even though spam comments add to the number of comments to your ads, it doesn't really help anything, and sometimes it brings bad record to your ads. So that's it for creating a step-by-step ads in 2023 for your TikTok. And if you have any questions, please comment it down below. I hope you love this tutorial, and thank you for watching.